Hello and welcome to my Hexagon cardigan tutorial. I hope you like it, so let's get started. So to begin, we're going to start with a chain 3 and then slip stitch into your first chain to make a circle. So now we're going to chain 3 and then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the circle. Next we're going to chain 2 and then we're going to do another 3 double crochets into the circle. So now we're going to repeat this and we're going to do another chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. So now we're going to repeat this another 4 times. So we have 6 sets of 3 lots of double crochets to make the hexagon. So now you should have 6 points to make your hexagon. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first point, the first gap, chain 3, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets. Now we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets. And now we're going to repeat this into the next point, the next big gap. So we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and another 3 double crochets in the same gap, and we're going to repeat this all the way around. So into the next gap, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to repeat this all the way around. So add in 2 sets of 3 double crochets and chain 2s in each point. in our next round, we've now created gaps in between our points. So we're going to carry on doing 3 double crochets into the point with the chain 2. So we're going to chain 3, and now we're going to do 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 2, another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now into the next gap, we're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're back to the point, so we're going to do 3 double crochets with a chain 2 and another 3 double crochets into the same gap. And now we're going along to the next in between gap where we're just going to add 3 double crochets. And now we're back to the point. So this is where we're going to do our 3 double crochets with chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. So for your next rounds now, you'll be increasing. So in between the points you will have more gaps. So in the points we do 3 double crochets and a chain 2 and 3 double crochets, and then in between the gaps we just keep adding 3 double crochets. I'm going to stop here and change colour, and I'm going to do this every 3rd row. I've made 18 rows, and you're going to need to repeat this process again to make 2 sides of your cardigan to put together. So now we're going to fold our work. If you fold it over, skipping 2 points, and now you should be able to pull it down to make an L shape, and this creates one arm of the cardigan. So now we're going to put the cardigan together. We're going to need to slip stitch across the top and across the back, just the back, not the front pieces. So I've picked up my 2 pieces that I'm going to crochet together. So put your hook in through the 2 pieces of your work, pull through again, and this will close the 2 pieces together. So now you can see I've slip stitched the back and across the top, and I've slip stitched it so the slip stitch is on the inside so it won't show on the outside. Next we're going to extend the cuffs. You could also extend the bottom, and we're going to make a collar edge as well. So now we're going to extend the cuffs. So basically in each gap between the 3 double crochets we're going to extend it with 3 double crochets, and I'm going to do 3 rounds in a grey colour to extend it. So hook in into the first gap, and we're just going to attach our yarn. Now we're going to start with a chain 3 into the first gap, all in the same gap, and 2 double crochets. One, 2. And now into the next gap we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and again we're going to repeat this all the way around, and once you get back to the start you can just slip stitch and carry on another 2 rounds as normal. So to make the collar edge, I'm just going to turn my work and I'm going to insert my hook with my colour, and I'm just going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch for 1 round. So now I'm going to chain 3 and double crochet into the first stitch, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch until I get to the other end. So now I've completed my 1 round of double crochets. I'm going to make sort of a ribbed collar edge. We're going to do this by going in and out of the posts. So begin with a chain 3 into the second double crochet. I'm going to lift it up, and now we're going to put our yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to pick up the second double crochet behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again pick up from the front and pick up from the back, and this creates a ribbed edge. So I'm going to pick it up from the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to repeat this all the way round, and I'm going to do 4 rounds of this ribbon edge. And we've completed it. I hope you like this project. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I find this cardigan fits UK probably size 10 to 14. If you wanted to make it larger, you could just do more rounds to begin with. I did 18, but you could do as many as you want.